Welcome to our music time today. I thought we would sing a song about rainy weather because it's a little bit rainy and drizzly this morning. And we're gonna sing the song about all of the raindrops being yummy food. That's a fun song. Are you ready? If all of the raindrops were apples and bananas, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were apples and bananas, oh, what a rain that would be. This time, let's say that the raindrops are lollipops and ice cream because that sounds really yummy. If all of the raindrops were lollipops and ice cream, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were lollipops and ice cream, oh, what a rain that would be. Let's see, what else could our raindrops be? Let's do something healthy. How about carrots and broccoli? I like to eat my vegetables too. If all of the raindrops were carrots and broccoli, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were carrots and broccoli, oh, what a rain that would be. Yummy in my tummy. What else can our raindrops be? Maybe they could be some kind of a liquid like orange juice and milk. Those sound like good, healthy things to drink. If all of the raindrops were orange juice and milk, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were orange juice and milk, oh, what a rain that would be. Maybe now you can come up with some ideas at home and let me know what you sing about. There's all kinds of different foods in the world, and there's so many different yummy things that we could pretend that our raindrops are. Now, before we go today, I want to show you how your friend Simmy is doing. So I'm going to take you over to his terrarium so you can see where he lives when he's at my house. Simmy's kind of sleepy sometimes. He was closing his eyes. Hello, Simmy. How are you today? That's all for now. Hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Simmy's kind of sleepy sometimes. He was closing his eyes. Hello, Simmy. How are you today? That's all for now. Hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.